Morning, dear students. Welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson number 13, aeroplanes. You all know about aeroplanes, right? Okay, let's start. Orville and Wilbur Wright, the two brothers, made the first successful flight near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina on 17th December 1903. Okay, the name of the two brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright. Okay, they made the first successful flight near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina on 17th December 1903. Okay, modern airplanes are divided into four parts. Here, four main parts. Okay, not five, it is four. First is commercial aviation planes. Second one is general aviation planes. Then third one is military planes. And fourth one is sea planes. Okay, students. Now, here you have a picture of an aeroplane and also the parts of the aeroplane. Here the first part, windscreen or windshield. Okay, it is known as windscreen, windshield. It is a door. These are windows. Okay, this part, this part of an aeroplane is known as fuselage or main body of an aeroplane. Okay, this one is stabilizer but it is vertical. Okay, this one is a stabilizer but it is horizontal. Now now this part, wing or main plane. Okay, this part is known as engine. With engine removed, it is now called an airframe. Okay, airframe. What is airframe? External covering of an airplane. Okay, now let's read about the types of the commercial aviation planes. Okay, first is commercial aviation plane. Commercial aviation planes are large planes. They are very large planes for carrying passengers and sometimes cargo. What is the meaning of cargo here? Cargo means goods carried on a ship, aircraft or motor vehicle. Okay. Now, it is also known as airliners. Okay. It is also known as airliners. Now, second one. Second one is general aviation planes. General aviation planes have 2 to 6 seats. It is only having 2 or 6 seats. Okay, 2 to 6 seats and one engine. General aviation covers a large range of activities. Okay, they covers large range of activities. What are they? Both commercial and non-commercial, including flying clubs, agriculture, cultural aviation. What is agricultural aviation? The branch of task in agricultural. Okay, agricultural aviation is employed to protect weeds, destroy insecticide, undesirable vegetations. Okay. Light aircraft manufacturing. Light aircraft manufacturing. For manufacturing light aircraft, general aviation planes are used and also there for their maintenance. Okay. Now, military planes. What are military planes? Military planes are used by the military force, okay, to attack enemies on the ground, or in the air. Okay, it is also used to carry equipments, the necessary items for a particular purpose, means for war, etc. like this. And soldiers also, and soldiers from here and there, they are going by the help of military planes to the battlefield. Okay, now the seaplanes. What are seaplanes? A seaplane is a powered fixed wing aircraft capable of taking off and landing on water. Okay, that's why they are known as seaplanes. Seaplanes are also of two types. First is float planes second one is flying boats, and third one is amphibian. Okay, students, now uh, here two pictures are given to us. Okay, what is written over here about this picture in this corner? The world's oldest airline is the Dutch carrier KLM. It is the first picture. Okay, it is the world's oldest airline. Okay, what is the name? Dutch carrier KLM. It was established in the year 1919. Okay, then Qantas was founded in 1920. It is a picture of Qantas and it was founded in 1920. Okay, now look here what is written over this corner. Every single day, more than 1 lakh flights carrying 10 million passengers. Okay, every single day means daily more than 1 lakh flights. 1 lakh flights and carrying how many passengers? 10 million passengers take off from airports around the world. Okay, now we move to our next lesson. The name of the next lesson is lesson number 14, strange but true. Strange means, what is the meaning of strange here? Strange means unusual or surprising. Okay, unusual or surprising. Now let's read. Some people in the world manage to baffle. Baffle means confuse our mind. Okay, confuse our mind and send us into deep thought. They send us into deep thought, means is it possible like that, as to how they can simply exist in the same world and yet be so incredibly bizarre. What is the meaning of incredibly here? Means to a great danger. Okay, and what is the meaning of bizarre here? Bizarre means a very strange or unusual. Okay, now read the descriptions to know about some bizarre people of the world. Okay, now let's start. Okay, first look here at picture number first. It is a picture of Lucky Diamond Rich. Okay, who is Lucky Diamond Rich? Lucky Diamond Rich, or just Lucky Rich, is a New Zealand man who is the world's most tattooed person. What is the meaning of tattooed here? Tattooed means practice of making a design on the skin by printing or staining. Okay, that thing is known as tattooed. Okay, now tattooed person means he is having lots of tattoos in his body. Okay, a title formerly held by Tom Leopard. Okay, the title formerly held by Tom Leopard. He has tattoos covering his entire body. He has tattoos covering his entire body, including the insides of his eyelids also, inside his eyelids, mouth, ears, and foreskin. Okay, now look here at this picture. Okay, it is a picture of Dead Koswara. Okay, who is Dead Koswara? Dead Koswara is also known as Tree Man. Why Dead Koswara is known as Deed Koswara? Okay, it is Deed Koswara. Deed Koswara, why he is known as Tree Man? Deed Koswara has a rare fungal infection. In his body, he is having rare fungal infection. What is the fungal infection called? That is called epidermodysplasia varroa. Okay, epidermodysplasia varroa. Okay, once a simple construction worker, he is a simple construction worker. This bark-like warts began constantly growing around Dead Koswara's body. Okay, due to that fungal infection, he is known as the Tree Man. Okay, now look here at this picture. Okay, the name of the picture, the name of the person given in this picture is Michel Lotito. Michel Lotito. Michel Lotito was long considered a medical mystery. He was long considered a medical mystery. Why? Due to his unusual ability, means he is able to chew and swallow blades. Blades you all know, na? Glasses. Cutlery. What is the meaning of cutlery? Means cutting utensils, especially knives for cutting food like this, and also metal parts. Okay, now look here. It is a picture of Eric Sprague. Eric Sprague. He is also known as Lizard Man. Why he is known as Lizard Man? Because he loves reptiles so much that he had his body modified to look like reptiles with tattoos. Okay, you see now? Okay, he also has bifurcated tongue. He also has bifurcated tongue. What is the meaning of bifurcated? Means divide into two branches or forks. Tongue that looks like that of a snake. It is look like a snake. Okay, now the next picture. Next picture, Mark Henry. Okay, Mark Henry. Mark Henry, the strongest man. He started joining strongman competition. He is known as the strongest man. Okay, he started joining strongman competition when he was 14 years old, and he became really successful in that field. Okay, in fact, he is winner of every competition that he joined in. Means if he take part in any competition, he is the winner in that. Okay, now look at this picture. The man having only half of his head. Okay, the name of the person in this picture is Carlos Hafi Rodriguez. Okay, Carlos Hafi, the man with half head. He is having only half head. Carlos Hafi Rodriguez got into a dramatic car accident. Okay, a car accident. Due to the car accident, and lost a large portion of his brain and skull. Okay, student. Okay, you have to learn who is known as lizard man, who is known as strongest man, like this. Okay, student. Thank you for watching the video.